All right, guys. So everybody wants to know how to buy Bitcoin with a credit card. All right. So first of all, do not use any of these that we have here on the first page because most of these companies that sell you, they're either one, too expensive, meaning that you end up getting your cryptocurrency, yes, but it costs you almost twice as much as normal circumstances to get your cryptocurrency. And two, most of these websites are actually scams, and they don't have very good customer support. Now, what I'm going to introduce you to is the only website that I personally trust right now to buy any form of cryptocurrency, and the name of it is switchere. All right, it's very cheap, not a lot of fees, and they actually have very good customer service. So if something goes wrong with your transaction, they're basically always online to help you with anything. So you see, chat with us, we are online. So you can see I was talking to somebody and they helped just to answer my questions and they were very helpful. Okay, so the link to switchere is in my video description down below. So yeah, it's very simple. You just register. I mean, everybody knows right now how to register an account. Name, email address, phone number, that's all you really need to do this. Let me just log in so I can show you my back office. Okay, so the cool thing about this website is if you don't want to verify your account with your ID, you don't have to. Most of these platforms that you have to buy cryptocurrency from, they require that you do identity verification. Now, for me personally, I hate doing identity verification. So this website worked out perfectly for me. Let me show you my verification. You can see that right now, only my email and my phone have been verified. So I got an email address, confirm the email, I click the link, and then I got a text to my phone. Very simple stuff, right? It takes me less than 5 minutes. The only disadvantage is the limit that I have. So I can only buy $150 worth of cryptocurrency. And like I said, for me, this is perfectly fine. For you, this may be fine, but if you want to be able to buy more, maybe you want to buy $1,000, you can choose to verify your identity if you want to. Okay, it's totally up to you. If not, if you just want to see what cryptocurrency is all about and what the experience is like using switchere, just buy some $10 worth of crypto or something. It's no big deal. So what you'll do, you can just go right here. You buy crypto with no KYC. That means no identification. You put the amount of crypto that you want to buy. I want to buy $10 worth of Litecoin. Very simple. I put my Litecoin address. And of course, let me tell you from now, every cryptocurrency has different minimum purchases. So the minimum purchase I can make for Litecoin is $10, but for Bitcoin, it won't be $10. Maybe, I think for Bitcoin, it's $20. Yes, exactly. Ethereum, I think Ethereum is $70. No, let me check. $80, $85, or $90. So yeah, fine. Because every cryptocurrency has different fees, has different things happening on its network every day. So if you want to get your feet wet, just try to buy some Litecoin. It's a very cheap coin, and you'll get your Litecoin very quickly sent to your wallet address. So I click buy, I confirm everything. Processing time is 5 to 30 minutes, very simple. Make payment, and I will be taken to this screen. I can choose to pay with Google Pay. If you have that, good for you. I don't. I put in my card number. Doesn't even have to be my card number. It can be my mother's card, my father's card, my girlfriend, my wife's, my dog's card, because I know many of you are very young and most of you are below 18, so you really don't have a credit card yet. So maybe you're using your mom's card, which is totally fine. You just put in all the information here, whatever, you get your cryptocurrency sent to your wallet. Please do not store your cryptocurrency on an exchange like Binance. Let me just get that out of the way right now and tell you guys. Don't store your cryptocurrency on Binance. Don't store your cryptocurrency on Coinbase, because I know those are popular. Yes, Coinbase. Don't store your cryptocurrency there. Store your cryptocurrency on your computer or on a hard wallet. What I use is Exodus. This is basically a software program that stores all my cryptocurrency for me. Okay, so that address that you saw me type in, my Litecoin address, this is actually from my Exodus wallet. It's very easy to use this. You just download it and you can check your cryptocurrency portfolio wherever you are, on your computer or on your phone. If your computer gets damaged, don't worry. You will still be able to access your cryptocurrency. So like I said, guys, very important. Do not use Binance. Don't store the cryptocurrency on there or any exchange, because exchanges go down all the time. Hackers hack exchanges all the time, but they can never hack either an Exodus wallet or a hard wallet. Okay? All right. So that's pretty much it. If you need a link to switchere and if you need a link to Exodus, everything is in my video description below. I hope you enjoyed this video. Peace out.